Hi everyone. Today's demo is about data consolidation in Excel. In this demo, I'll show you how we can consolidate seemingly similar data from different Excel sheets. We can always customize this to use different Excel files as well. But for the sake of this demo, I'll just limit myself to different sheets at this time. So let's get into the macro file. Right? Very quickly, we'll have a look at the structure. So first three are data sheets. I've just put together a sample data named customer A, customer B, customer C. So these are the identifiers for these data sets, and that is, and the sheet name itself is essentially the identifier over here. Then I have the config tab. Config tab basically has a configuration or the mapping of different columns from, let's say, customer A, customer B, and customer C, right? So I can pick and choose what data I want from them, right, and how it should map to my master data set. The control sheet essentially has got just one button. When you click on it, it basically runs a macro or a script behind, reads the data from these three sheets, and kind of gets it together in the consolidated sheet. The first column client, the column client that you see over here, and I've just named it client for the purpose of demo. It can be anything else, like a business unit or a function, etc. It basically consolidates all the information from customer A, customer B, and customer C based on what we have defined in the config sheet, right? So very quickly, right? I mean, if I another thing that we can kind of configure over here is the header row, right? Not necessarily all the data sets will start from row one, right? Some of them can start with row 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever, right? So we can kind of configure that as well, right? Although we might have similar data across different customers, but not necessarily we might have the same column names, right? If we have same column names, then it's great, but many times it doesn't happen. So all we need to do is then kind of just make sure that we map the right columns over here, right? And then the tool will take care of picking the right data out of it. And I'll demo that very quickly, right? So in the control sheet, I've already got this configured over here, so no need to redo that. In the control sheet, we'll just click on get data and have a look, right? Customer A, customer B, and customer C is basically identifying the source of the data for me, right? And then I have data from all these three data sheets into my consolidated tab. Again, I'm for customer A, I'm actually kind of picking up ID, but I should have picked unique ID, right? So what I'll do is I'll just replace this with unique ID over here, right? That's it, right? I'll just rerun the whole thing, and I should get the right data coming into it. So this is particularly useful in support functions, right? Because you've got to do a lot of ad hoc analytics, and you have different sources of data, but they are not necessarily standardized in the sense that they may not be stored or maintained in a standard fashion, right? So if you have to kind of do that perpetually, for an extended period of time, a tool like this is very useful. Of course, the end game of any such structure is essentially to transform and bring all of those business units, functions, or different operating units into a uniform platform. But till that time that happens, you've got to get things going, right? So this is where this tool comes into the picture.